Here is a CEI JCPenny hugger ceiling fan that I got from Chandru back at Fanimation. You can see it's got an ornate housing, very similar, almost identical to the Kodak Strato Flight Series hugger. This one uses a spinner motor, which you can definitely tell it is a CEI motor, but you can't really see it on camera. But it does have some blade warp or something like that. It uses the same kind of grommets as Hunter blades do, and they're pretty worn out. But other than that, we'll start it off on low. Take note that the switch housing cap has an ornate finish. Okay, we'll go to medium. And this is a pretty good runner too. It has a little bit of wobble, but it's nothing extreme, and it doesn't have the typical shake that huggers usually have. So I can use this on medium high. Put on a decent breeze. Okay, we'll go to high. We'll go to off. And the light. Well, that's it, and until next time.